Hey guys, welcome to this week's Wi-Fi Wednesdays. My name is Kevin Z. I am founder and CEO of My Wi-Fi Networks, and we meet here on Facebook Live each and every week. As I mentioned, we're going to be issuing a new Zoom invite for everyone. For some reason, the previous one was expired. I keep trying to renew it, but I think we're going to do just a net new opt-in for those who want to join us on Zoom. Otherwise, we're obviously always live in Facebook and recorded, and you can watch any replay inside the Facebook Marketing Experts group. On the left side, you can click on videos, and there's a full archive of every single Wi-Fi Wednesday that we've done. So this week, I want to recap what we launched last week, which were massive new features. We launched an all-new global contacts list. So what that allows you to do is view all of your contacts at a glance. So let me just pull up an account here to show you. You'll notice here on the left-hand side a new tab called Contacts. You can go through, obviously you see all the contacts that have ever connected to your network at all times. So here I can actually switch this to say, let's look at people that have connected last month. And actually this is an old account, so let me switch to a custom range. Go back a few months here. But essentially you can view this across all of your locations. So it's a really cool way to kind of see, this had 1,000 people connect. This is just our testing device near our office. So these are like literally default people that are just walking by and connecting. You can filter all this down, and you can also, once you save some filters, so let's say I want to show people that have connected through email, and I want to show people that connected through a mobile phone. So I can see my filters over here. My current filters applied are using people who connected through email and through mobile phone. Then what I can do is save this list. So call this mobile, phone, and email. And then now I have this list available to me. Anytime I want inside Smart Lists, I can always pull up this list and really pull it back. And very soon you're going to be able to do some basic automations and real-time triggers on these filtered lists as you have them. So that's new. Make sure you check it out. It's the Contacts tab inside your dashboards. Showed you Smart Lists as well. We also have a new Birthday Selector. So if I go to a campaign over here that has a birthday option, let me just show you. So I believe I showed this to you guys last week. I'll just give you a little preview again. So I come to the portal. I connect with email. Whoops, actually, let me just pull back another one here. I'll actually create a new one. So let's say you have a new campaign over here. You can create always from a Facebook page. So let's just pull this back. Let's say we use McDonald's, and then on the login options, we can choose date of birth. All right, so let's call this Meek D's birthday. And to show you what this looks like now, obviously it's a much better experience instead of typing in your actual day, month, and year. Now you literally fill it out by clicking it. And this is particularly good on mobile phones. When you go through, you can actually select your birthday just like that, and it all gets formatted perfectly. So that is a new selector now live across all accounts. And we also have all of our dashboards available in Portuguese. So to show you here as well how you change all that. So if I go to a location, and this is available, it's tied to the sub-user. So if a sub-user goes in and changes their language, every account or every location that they log in with will have that language. So it's really tied to your user, but you can change it always over here. You go to settings, general, and here you can change to Spanish. As you'll see here at the left, it changes automatically or instantly. We have French, and now we have Portuguese. So this is particularly useful if you have clients that speak these languages, because ultimately when they go through and they go look at their statistics and look at their contacts and all that, everything is in their language. All the reports and all that is available natively. Here's where you change it. Obviously, I showed you it's inside your dashboard, in location dashboard, under settings, general, and you can change your language over here. That's what it looks like. As you know, we also launched new annual pricing, your chance to save 36% on annual plans. You can upgrade any plan that you're on to an annual deal. And right now, for a limited time, we are going to be offering bonus free hotspots for anyone that upgrades to an annual plan. So not only will you save 36%, but you're also going to get a bunch of free hardware. And this is what we are offering for a limited time. If you upgrade to the Connect annual plan, we're going to give you 3 SH50s. So those are the hardware that's available in our store with free shipping, so you don't have to pay separately. All you need to do is upgrade to a Connect plan, and we'll ship you 3 SH50s. If you upgrade to an Automate plan, an Automate annual plan, we're going to send you 10 SH50s. And if you upgrade to a Scale plan, which is our new plan, including the Master Reseller unlimited locations as well, we'll ship you 20 free SH50s, shipping included. So all you're paying is the annual plan. Again, these are what the annual plans look like. Sorry if they're a bit small, but you can actually log into your account under, click on My Account, click on Plans, and you'll see exactly which plan you are on and which plan you can change to. The Connect plan is $360 a year. That's 36% off our recently even more discounted 50% off discount on that plan. The Automate plan is at $299. Here you save 36%, so it ends up being about $190 a month on average, so $22.80 a year. And the Scale plan is $899. Actually, it's $580 if you go annually a month, and that's $69.60 for the year. Keep in mind, when you upgrade to these annual plans, you're going to get free hardware as well. So 3 SH50s with the Connect, 10 SH50s with the Automate annual, and 20 free Scale with the Scale plan. So, when you think about this from like a monetary standpoint, let's say you upgrade to the annual plan for $22.80. So first of all, you're saving $36 or $110 a month on the plan. Then second, you're getting 10 SH50s. So if you have even just a few clients you have lined up, you already have the hardware, it's pre-configured, you take it, drop it in. The idea is you can charge them, let's say, $1,000 each for the year, which is a great discount for them, and you can recoup your annual plan with just a couple deals. Then you have 8 hotspots left to sell, and you have the entire year paid for. So those who are thinking ahead, thinking forward, really want to establish themselves in this business and not worry about monthly fees, save 36% and get a bunch of free hardware. For a limited time, we are offering these special bonuses for those who upgrade to annual plans: 3 SH50s for the Connect, 10 SH50s for the Automate plan, and 20 SH50s for the Scale plan. Again, to upgrade your account, you log in right over here. You go into your account over here. Under your drop-down, you click on My Account. So within My Account, you go to Plan. It'll show exactly which plan you are on. If you want to upgrade, you switch to Bill Annually. And here you'll see the plans, and you can very easily upgrade to any of these plans. It'll ask you, are you sure you want to upgrade for $22.80 a year? That'll eliminate all your monthly fees. You'll save 36% or $110 a month on the annual plan, on the Automate plan. You'll save a lot more than that on the Scale plan, 36% across the board for all annual upgrades. And all you want to do is click on Yes. You can upgrade that there, and we'll ship you 10 free devices. So if you have any questions about this or your account specifically or anything specific to your plan or really anything at all, contact our support team. We're available always in the bottom right-hand side right over here. Simply click on that and chat with us. I do recommend, if you have any questions, you always check out our help desk first. This really has all of the articles. Everything is step-by-step walkthrough of how to do everything on our system, so how to add a new location. It's all listed here, really step-by-step. So I really want to encourage you guys to go through these. And if you have any questions after that, you can always chat with our support team right over here. All right, thank you guys so much for joining us this week. If you have any questions, again, please let us know. I am planning, as you can tell, I'm cleared up from my sinus issues that I had the last few weeks. So I'm going to be preparing a whole bunch of new videos coming real soon. We just finished off Labor Day weekend, so I'm getting back into the swing of things. And I cannot wait to share all of that amazing training with you because we have a ton of new recipes, different zaps, automations, different ideas and campaigns you can instantly take to your clients and start charging a ton more because you're really going to put the data to work for them. And remember, at the end of the day, you're not selling social Wi-Fi. You're selling loyal customers. You're selling an email list. You're selling marketing automation. You're selling results. So if you implement this correctly, you'll be able to very easily show those results and just charge your clients a lot more. If you have any questions, let us know. We're happy to help. Thank you guys for joining, and I'll see you in the Facebook group. Take care.